What's goody grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn PayPal money fast and make up to $22 per hour. Now, if that sounds good to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn PayPal money fast and make up to $22 per hour. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And I do give away free money. So please smash that like button and leave a comment down below. And please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been dropped. Now, check out what I have in the description below. Scroll down there where it says free giveaways. Now, you have to be subscribed to this channel to get these free giveaways. So if you're new, hit that subscribe button right now. And then go in the description below, scroll all the way down where it says free giveaways. You're going to see a link. Click on that link, and it's going to take you to a website where you can get the 3 free gifts. So go ahead and do that. Also, I have some other cool stuff in the description below that will give you money right away, and also that will help you get more views on your YouTube channel. So check out all that stuff also in the description below. Now, please watch this video to the very end because I have a special bonus I want to talk to you guys about. So please watch it all the way to the very end so you know about this special bonus, and also so you know how you can earn PayPal money real fast. Now, without further ado, now let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can earn PayPal money fast and make up to $22 per hour. So let's grind and let's get it. I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called Remo Tasks. And it says here, make money doing tasks, start earning from home today. So let's scroll down here where it says how it works, tag images, transcribe audio, moderate content. We have many interesting tasks for you to do. English fluency is the only requirement. So you got to be able to speak English to do these tasks and to work on this website. All right, right here where it says get started today. So you sign up. You can sign up through Facebook. You take an exam. So yes, you got to take an exam, but from my knowledge, it's a very simple exam. And then you work, do tasks in categories you've unlocked. Then you get paid. You get paid weekly via PayPal. So you get paid pretty quick. You'll get paid weekly. Now, here are the easy tasks to do. Easy to do tasks. Each exam unlocks tasks for you to do. Examples of the tasks you can do are drawing boxes around cars, moderating content, and identifying spam, and categorizing t-shirts. So who provides these tasks? We work with multiple companies from small startups to public companies. Some examples include self-driving car companies, t-shirt startups. They have trusted us and you with completing these tasks. So I'm going to go through this. I'm going to show you a little bit more and go through this real quick because I have another website I want to show you. So let me go through this real quick. All right, here are some of the tasks. See, here's the image annotation, drawing the square around the box. Drawing the box around an object. And there's characterization, help identify keywords that describe images, what's in an image. And here's the image transcription, transcribe image content from an image. And there's the comparison, so you're going to be comparing the objects. And here's the audio transcription. And here's the data collection. All right, so if you're interested in doing these simple little tasks and making some money, PayPal money weekly, go ahead and go to remotasks.com. All right, let me go ahead and go to the next website. All right, I'm at the next website, and the name of this website is Go Transcript. And it says right here, transcription jobs available worldwide. You can click right here and watch a quick video, and it'll tell you a little bit more about these transcription jobs. It says we pay competitive rates for our online transcription jobs. So up to 60 cents per audio or video minute. And average earnings is per $150 per month. Top monthly earnings, $1,215. It says go here. It says Go Transcript is a thriving web-based transcription and translation company. We're always looking to fill our open freelance transcription jobs so we can grow our team and keep pace with customer orders. We're a skilled transcriptionist who takes pride in our work, and you want to make it takes pride in our work, and you want to make a difference in the world. So right here, you go and apply right here. And let me just go through this real fast right here. It says do transcription jobs from home. So all you need is computer and internet. Get paid reliably. Receive weekly payouts through PayPal. Flexible hours. Work as much as or as little as you want, whenever you want. Receive great support. Choose out your own projects. Grow your skills. Enjoy work variety. Stay busy. Transcription jobs online. We get new transcribing jobs every day. And let's go down here where it says frequently asked questions. Okay, right there where it says, how will I be paid? We pay every Friday through PayPal or Payoneer. So you get paid every Friday doing these transcription jobs. And you get paid through PayPal. So if you're interested in this site here and ready to make some quick, fast PayPal money on a weekly basis, go to Go Transcript. All right, now you know the websites you can go to right now that will allow you to earn PayPal money fast. So go ahead and sign up with those websites and get this money. All right, thank you for watching this video to this point. As promised, let me tell you about the special bonus. If you guys can help me get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to reward 2 people with free money. And all you have to do is leave a comment down in this video, and all my videos is leading up to the 500 subscriber video. Now, I'm currently at 475, guys. I'm almost there. I'm at 475. So, what I'm going to do once I get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and reward the first person with $20 cash via PayPal or $20 Amazon gift card. The choice is yours. And the second person, I'm going to reward them with $10 cash via PayPal. So again, if you're new, subscribe right now and leave that comment down below. All right, that's all I have for this video. Please, again, smash that like button and let's get 25 likes, guys, because the more likes I get, the more this video will be shown on YouTube, and that means more potential viewers and more potential subscribers. And also leave a comment down below, because more comments I get, that also pushes my video out there for more people to check out. So please leave that comment down below. And also share this on the internet everywhere, because I want everybody to check out this video, because I want to help as many people I can to become their own boss. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this every day. All right, that's it. I'm out of here. I just want to say thank you guys for getting to this point. Thank you guys for getting me to 475 and on my way to 500. I really appreciate you guys' positive feedback and the way you guys encourage me to keep going with more videos and keep showing more good content so you guys can learn how to make money online and learn how to make money on autopilot. So thank you for you guys' support. Now, before I leave, I want to say this: get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Deuces.
This is App Grind TV.